Hey everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to make Wendy's Baconator and Baconator fries. So let's get started with the video. Begin by adding 4 slices of bacon to an iron skillet over medium heat. Then cook your bacon until they are crispy. Once your bacon has finished cooking, take it out of the pan. Now, in a large pan, over medium heat, add butter. Once your butter has melted, add your buns. I'm using brioche. Once your buns are golden brown, take them off the heat. Next, in a small bowl, add 1 tablespoon of seasoned salt, a half a tablespoon of pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Mix your seasonings together until well combined, and then set it to the side. Now we're going to prepare our burgers. Take about a handful of ground beef, roll it up into a ball, and then place it on some parchment paper. Then press down on your beef patty and begin shaping it into a square. We're going to shape our patties into squares because that is how they serve it at Wendy's. Now repeat this process with the rest of your ground meat. The amount of patties you shape really depends on how many burgers you're going to make. Just remember that the Baconator has 2 patties, so make sure you make 2 patties for each burger. When you finish shaping your patties, season them with the seasoning mixture you made before. When you're finished seasoning, set them to the side. Now, in the same skillet you cooked your bacon in, over medium heat, add your patty to the pan. Then season the other side of your burger. Let your burger cook for 2 to 3 minutes. After the 2 to 3 minutes are up, flip your burger and then let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Add a slice of American cheese on top of your burger, and to help the cheese melt, add a bit of water to your pan and then cover it with a lid. The steam from the water will help the cheese melt. Repeat this process with the rest of your burgers. When you're finished, you can begin assembling your Baconator. First, start with your bottom bun, then add your patty, After that, add 3 slices of bacon. I cut the pieces of bacon in half so it could fit the burger. Then add your second patty and 3 more slices of bacon. Now on your top bun, add mayonnaise, and ketchup. Now put that bun on top and you are all finished with your Baconator. Now we're going to make our Baconator fries. In a small pan over medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of butter. When your butter has melted, gradually add 2 tablespoons of flour. Once you've added your flour, whisk the flour and the butter for about 1 to 2 minutes. Next, gradually add 1 cup of milk. Continue to whisk your sauce until it becomes thick. Once it's thick, reduce your heat to low and then add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/8 teaspoon of white pepper, and 1 1/4 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Then whisk everything together until well combined. When you're finished with your cheese sauce, set it to the side. Air fry or bake some frozen fries. Then, place your fries in a dish or on a plate. After you've done that, add your cheese sauce on top of your fries. Then add some shredded cheddar cheese and bacon bits on top. I just used the leftover bacon and crumpled it into small pieces. And that's it, you've finished making the Baconator and Baconator fries from Wendy's. And this is the finished result. This came out so well, I'm super proud of it. I really like doing these copycat burger recipes. I might do Burger King next. And they both tasted really good. I ended up eating it after I was finished filming. It's such a simple burger, but it tasted really good. The fries tasted great as well. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!